Hi, I'm Mitchell Channon of Mitchell Channon Design, a residential interior design firm in Chicago. This is the third segment of a video blog series we're doing on our design for a new high-rise condominium in the heart of Chicago. Today we're going to look at an animated version of the new design. My clients want to highlight the magnificent view and create an open and more contemporary look. The condominium also overlooks a number of architectural gems, including the Pritzker Pavilion, designed by Frank Gehry, with its ribbons of stainless steel, and the nearby Aqua high-rise, designed by Chicago architect Gene Gang. These serve as inspirations for my design. So let's walk through the plan together. Starting from the back bedroom corridor, I've incorporated blue-green tones on the corridor wall, foyer ceiling, and elsewhere to coordinate with some of the existing furnishings. On the left, we are proposing to replace the existing wall with a curve featuring silver leaf wall covering. The curve, which plays off of the Pritzker Pavilion, flows into the living room. This allows one to visually capture that room all the way back from the foyer, effectively enlarging the space. I'd like to create a neutral envelope in which we can insert boldly colored accents and furnishings to enliven the space. So the flooring will be 6-inch rift-cut white oak. Now let's turn into the new kitchen. On the right, we're proposing a glass backsplash in Tiffany box blue that reiterates the aqua and teal of the foyer and back corridor. On the left, we will open the kitchen into the living room even more by cutting back an existing wall. This also expands the view from the kitchen. At the far left, you can see the TV wall. This will feature a black wall covering that will visually camouflage the wall-mounted flat-screen TV and mimic the dark tone of the window framing. To create a fully integrated appearance, walnut is used on the cabinetry, the refrigerator, and other appliances. For continuity, I use this same wood on the office cabinet island between the living room and the den. This is just to the right of the curved wall. Now we'll pass magically through the wall into the living room. The existing space had a smaller opening to the kitchen and a wall separating the den from the living room. In this plan, the kitchen is more open. The walnut on the cabinetry island is used on the wall common to the living room and kitchen as well. A curved ceiling cove connects the two walls and mimics the silver curved wall. Here we see how so many of the design features work together. The aqua backsplash in the kitchen ties nicely to the bedroom hallway at the other end of the condominium. The curved wall visually expands the foyer and the living room. The floating shelf beneath the TV repeats the curve in the ceiling cove, both of which are inspired by the balconies of the distinctive high-rise Aqua. The existing den was a separate room one entered through French doors flanking each side of a fireplace. Replacing the entire wall with an island of cabinetry and a much larger opening to the living room will allow the window wall to continue into the den with very little obstruction. New pocket doors will provide privacy when desired. The cabinetry on the island includes a desk and a place for a large computer monitor and keyboard. All other equipment will either be concealed or stored remotely. All of these changes will do everything the owners have requested: create more openness and flow of space, update and streamline the kitchen, and provide maximum exposure to the magnificent view. Design features also play on the dazzling architecture of the downtown neighborhood and create a sensual envelope for furnishings and fabrics. Now we need to make sure that the building structure and mechanics will work with the design we've proposed. So in our next segment, we'll look at the question of feasibility. See you then.